How to create a Kahoot game. Open the Kahoot website. You can access Kahoot on web browser. Here is the website in front of you. Go to create a Kahoot. You can select any one option from these. I don't want to use any one, so I closed it. Now you are on the generate question. You can select any one of the theme from here. Select the one you want to use. Now start writing your question at the top. I am writing who is the founder of sociology. Now add the answers. Put the right answer on the green box and mark the answer. Now insert an image. Click on plus icon. You will be directed to library from where you can add any image of your choice. Your quiz is ready. Now click on Save. Now add the finishing touches. Write the title. And also write the description. Click on Continue. Your quiz is saved. Now click on Add Question to add another quiz. Select the type of quiz. I selected True or False. Write your question. Select the right answer. Add an image to quiz. Click on Save. Your quiz is ready. You can also preview your quiz by tapping Preview. Go back. You can also add a slide. Click on Quote. Write down your quote. Also write the name of author of the quote. Add an image. You can add the background color of your choice. Your quote is also ready. Now go to Library. You can see your quizzes here. Click on Quiz. Click on Play Solo. So you can play quiz game. Select the mode. You are now playing quiz game. Join the game by typing name. Click on OK Go. Click on Right Answer. Your answer is correct. Click on Next. You can see the right answer of names. Click on Next. Now for the second quiz, True or False. Click the right answer. Yes, your answer is correct. Click on Next. You will see the overall results of your quizzes. That's how you can create a Kahoot game. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.